I'm doing a fume extractor unboxing and review for soldering. It comes in this small box and it comes with 2 extra filters with 1 filter already installed. You have to take it out of the bag in order to have it placed correctly in the extractor. As you can see, they're in the bag. It's pretty easy to just pop right in there. And there it is. It can be used standing upright or laying on its side. Here I am, I have my whole setup with some wires for a laptop. And here I am doing it without the extractor on. As you can see, the smoke is flying just straight up on the air and my work surface. Here I am turning it on and it starts to spin. However, then it stops spinning and I try and turn it back on and off and it takes a few tries. Here I finally got it back on and you can see the smoke is going towards the extractor but not really being absorbed by it. I'm a little disappointed in the efficacy of this extractor. I wish it was a little bit stronger fan powered in order to really extract out all the fumes. It is on my work surface about 5 inches away, so it should be able to, but it just isn't quite powerful. Thanks so much.